So today I'm going to show you how multimeter looks like. As you can see, there is a basic multimeter. So you turn it in this position, it's on, and you can turn it on either if you want to measure continuity. For example, come to this side, you select that, then you test. These are called probes. Like for example, the black probe is inserted in the comb. Then if you want to measure voltage or resistance, either this one or this one or this one, use this one. But if you want to measure current, use these two, milliamperes or amperes. So for example, you want to measure continuity of this one. For example, you want to measure the continuity of the board of this part, the outer one, measure like this. Then you hear the sound, so that means it's continuous. But if you check the second one, there's nothing. So the first one, continuity, second one, so this is the positive and the negative. The negative, normally the body, the positive is inside. So let's check the positive. You see the sound. For this one, there is no. Outside sound, there is no. So you can do most measurements using a multimeter. Like for example, you can measure the resistance or a resistor. You can also measure the voltage, the direct current, the direct voltage. Then this is the AC. All these ones is the amperes current, AC and DC. And this one is for the microfarads and the nanofarads, the one for measuring the capacitance. So basically that's what is so it also has different ranges, yeah. And this is also where you can measure the polarity of a transistor, emitter, current based emitter, the PNP and then PN. So for these different ranges, for example, if you are measuring a voltage of the DC voltage, for example 8 volts, the maximum you can use is you put the range at 5, and then the other then you can use to measure the voltage. Then if it's around 1000, it's more than 200, but less than 1000, use this range. Thank you, and may God bless you.